I am the proprietor of Yare Plaza, which recently caught fire. It is a sad day for us, and we are very much saddened by the loss of properties of our tenants, as well as the people who used to work in the mall for the tenants and for ourselves, who have risked losing their jobs and the income. We are very much sorry about that. It is not unintended happenings from our side. First of all, we have learned that the fire was caused by somebody, and the person is known, or the persons are known, and it is now a week that has passed. Unfortunately, up to now, these culprits have not been apprehended, and we want to appeal to the government to make it quick to apprehend these suspects and be subjected to the process of the law, the legal, the criminal aspect. Secondly, we are trying our best as the proprietor of the affected building to restore, so that the people are able to come back to normal lives as soon as possible. We are in contact with our engineers, the City Hall engineers, and the other parties all involved, and we are hoping that we shall have a quick restoration. The initial assessment has indicated that the structure has no defect. Therefore, it is only the finishing and the services that need to be repaired. So all that I want to say is that all tenants who have been affected after the restoration will come back to their premises, and we shall do our best, all humane actions possible, so that we give the best time for recovery to our tenants. We are saddened, and we hope that normal life will resume as soon as possible.